We continue to get questions about Google+. Everyone would like to know what it really is. Basically, it is a social network that was introduced by Google about 8 months ago now, really as an all-out competitor to Facebook. In 6 months, it has garnered nearly 90 million users, and even with that huge early success, it's really not that easy to understand. So today we'll dig in and we'll learn some of the basics. The primary features of Google+, the first feature is called Stream, which is a news feed. Basically the information that's coming from your friends or the people that you choose to be in that stream. As they post information, it comes to your stream. Sparks is a recommendation engine, something like a Google search engine built into your social network. Hangouts is a video chat service. Huddle is a group texting service. And Circles is how you organize or manage your friends. And then Photos is pretty self-explanatory. We're told that there's lots more features, things like games and questions that are expected to come in the future. The name Google+ was used because Google actually intends Google+ to be an extension of Google search engine itself. It's designed to be an improvement of all of what Google is. This isn't Google's first attempt at dominating the social space. They acquired Orkut, which is a social network, and then obviously they acquired YouTube and have had a huge success with YouTube. However, Google has also introduced 2 flops. One with Google Wave, which was intended to be a social network, and another with Google Buzz. The icons that you'll really need to be familiar with, and there's a lot of different icons as well as the different names. These are the icons: Circles, Hangouts, Home, Sparks, Profile, Photos. The navigation bar includes buttons for your notifications, profile info, content sharing options. Stream is like your Facebook news feed. If you've got Facebook and you know the center panel is your news feed, it's where you share your content and you can see what others are sharing. This can also be viewed by your Circles. Circles are like your Facebook friends, and you can select multiple friends, drop and drag them into different groups, or the groups are called Circles, and it really allows for sending content to specific groups as opposed to like in Facebook right now, when you put content out, it goes to everybody in your list. The Circles editor makes it easy for you to add and remove friends from different groups. Sparks is Google's content recommendation engine, and you can search for different topics and find relevant articles, videos, or photos to share with your friends, and Google feeds you this info based on your interests or the information that you have in your Google+ account. Unique video chat feature in Google+ is called Hangouts, which really enables you to video chat with up to 10 people at the same time. Update and share photos with your friends. You can use the photo tagging similar to what you do with Facebook. And there's a simple built-in browser-based image editor as well. Profiles are like most profiles: basic information, your interests, your occupation, your profile photo, and so. So now you ask, why should I use Google+? Now that you understand what the different components are, the primary reason that many folks give is that it's a cleaner way to selectively share data with others. With cloud products like Google Documents, Google Calendar, Google Reader, Google should be an easy way to gathering data and sharing it with others. The combination of being able to share and then to get exposed to others is very good for your interest groups. And the level of engagement is higher. commenting and resharing seems to happen at a higher rate. Gives you more control and has a more organic more organic user experience. Clean user interface combined with the lack of distracting elements. Many of you can relate to that, distracting elements with all the ads that are appearing in other networks. The circles feature, choosing who you share information with is an attraction. So to get started today, you'll need a Gmail account. In order to sign up for Google+, you need a Gmail account. And you must use your Gmail account to sign up and then set up a profile. And today we'll cover the basic features and some of the commands that will help you to use Google+ most effectively. To tag a person in your post, you simply add the @ sign, very similar to what you're doing now in Facebook. You can bold a word by using the asterisk before and after the word. When posting content, you can select to make the content public or limit it to just a specific circle or multiple circles. Clicking on the ++ or the +1 button is just like clicking the Facebook like button. Dragging a link, the share box will automatically link photos, videos, or links. So just dragging a photo to the link. Circles is the core feature of Google+. Gives you more control than Facebook or Twitter. You can drop and drag friends in and out of different groups. It allows you to put more it allows you to put mother in your family circle, or put your boss into your business circle, and put your friends from college into your college circle. You can create as many circles as you want, and you can share different things with different friends in the different circles. You can stream and share content. In Facebook, in the news feed, the Google+ button in the streams, instead of liking a post, you can just press the +1 button on a post, and that'll share that post in your circles, or mute a post if you don't want it in your stream. To update your status, you simply type some content into the share box at the top of your stream, choose who to share it with. You can share it with the public or all of your followers if you want, or just share it with certain circles. In addition to text, you can share photos, videos, links. Like Facebook, Google+ automatically detects the content of your links and then shares that and allows you to choose a thumbnail from that link. Here's a cool feature. If you only want to see the stream from your business network, just click on that circle under the stream, and this way you can review what's being shared only within certain circles. Sparks. This is Google+'s internal Google search, which is based on the content within your Google+ account. It provides you suggested content, as well as enabling you to enter text to search. You can pin your favorite Sparks, and you can easily share that content that you find. Hangouts seems to be catching on and seems to be a pretty cool feature within Google+. Not involved in any other social network, or not been introduced at least, simply a group chat using video. You can chat with up to 10 different people at the same time, as long as they all have a video camera. Hangouts requires you to install Google Talk software to work properly. Once you've initiated a Hangout session, you can invite others to attend. There's lots of different controls as the group leader, and you can even watch YouTube videos within that Google+ Hangout. Photos. Picasa is a company owned by Google and hosts all of the photos for Google+. The functionality is very similar to Facebook, where you can tag people just like you do in Facebook. An added feature allows you to approve tagging before you're actually tagged. Adding photos is very easy. Just drop and drag the photos into your feed. Sharing photos with whichever circles that you want. There's also lots of picture processing or editing options that are built right in. The last time Google treated privacy as a secondary feature, it got burned with a lawsuit. This time around, Google isn't playing games with Google Plus and privacy. In the Google Plus settings page, you'll find all of the privacy settings. You'll also find options for editing your email and mobile phone notifications. An important feature is the ability to easily download all of your data. So it's not, as you load data in, it's not stored in Google Plus and you can't get access to it. Of course, Google owns Android, and obviously Google Plus is mobile. The app is straightforward for both the Android and the iPhone applications. Cool feature in the mobile application is Huddle, which allows you to group text. And also, the instant upload feature syncs the pictures that you take with your desktop, makes it easier for you to share once you get back to your desktop. Google Plus for businesses already has lots of users, so it makes sense that businesses want to get involved and start taking action within Google Plus.